Do you know what the #1 traffic source was, is, and will remain to be? It is Google traffic, of course, also known as search traffic. And if you've got a product or a video to promote or a page to drive traffic to, I'm going to show you how to get to the first page of Google for hard keywords without knowing SEO and siphon millions of visitors for absolutely no cost whatsoever. And when I say visitors, I'm talking about buyer traffic, traffic that searches for your very solution on both Google and YouTube. And yes, this also works for harder keywords. What's the point of wasting energy on super low traffic keywords that anyone can rank for? And yes, even if you don't know anything about SEO, this will work for you. Why? Because I don't know anything about SEO, and I'm still ranking like crazy and outranking the results of every single rankings tool out there. If you're skeptical, I don't blame you. I bet you are. And without the software that I'm about to show you, I'd be quite skeptical too. Take a look at what we and our students have been able to achieve without any SEO knowledge, patience, or work. This is just the tip of the iceberg. 3 things to keep in mind for what I'm about to share. First, as ridiculous as it may sound, it doesn't require more than 5 minutes of work. Second, it's not risky, shady, or unreliable. In fact, you can activate it and let it run forever. And third, you absolutely don't need to have any SEO knowledge whatsoever with this. But if you do, our system will give you an unfair advantage. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how 3 guys went from not knowing anything about SEO to getting ranked on top of Google like it's nobody's business. At first, the only thing they knew about SEO is that if you rank high on Google and YouTube, you will get millions of visitors for free. That's it. Now, visitors that actually search for your product or niche and they crave your solution. That's the kind of visitors we're talking about here. So they started buying courses, learning methods, buying software, trying loopholes. None of these things worked, and they spent hundreds of hours just testing and learning. But then they learned that there is something that works really well for SEO, and it's something that's been working for years upon years. And that's old school, high quality, manual backlink building. In fact, it works so well that if you do it right, do it consistently, and keep a continuous flow of new high quality backlinks to your site, you practically guarantee high rankings fast and for many, many months. But here's the problem. It's hard, and it's slow, and it's boring. It's time consuming, or it gets extremely expensive if you hire a bunch of people to do it for you. I mean, you can imagine yourself sitting there posting content online and building thousands of backlinks manually, buying proxies to mask your IP, creating backlink strategies, and solving CAPTCHAs all along the line. The horror of that is unbelievable. This is when one of those 3 guys, Alex, had a crazy idea about a year ago. He said, hey, why not spend tens of thousands of dollars and countless hours to develop a piece of software that will automate the entire process and just rank? And that's exactly how RANKSNAP came to life. RANKSNAP is an artificial intelligence ranking software that builds thousands of high-quality backlinks as if a human does it for you. It's fast and it's done on autopilot and ranks for harder keywords by giving Google exactly what they want, feeding them with everything they love, and in exchange, you get rankings. Not only that, our team behind RANKSNAP continuously searches the internet for new high-quality backlink opportunities and adds them to the system on a regular basis. And unlike other SEO and backlink solutions, you don't need to purchase any proxies or capture selling services because we have it built in. We also use a cutting-edge technology called shortcuts, which gets you 5 times more backlinks without additional posting, getting you more traffic and helping you rank for harder keywords, which actually get searches. So you get all the benefits such as long-term traffic, high rankings on Google and YouTube, plus fast and free buyer traffic, but without the work, without the time, and without the money spent. And not only do you get these benefits, but RANKSNAP comes with something essential: a commercial license that allows you to sell backlinks and easy rankings to clients. And you can make a fortune in the process, because if you think you need these rankings, imagine what a local business would spend to promote their business. And we did the work for you and for your clients. All you need to do right now is enjoy the mammoth amounts of free traffic that rankings will get you. And in the last year, we've been testing it hard with users and, of course, our own businesses, and we've ranked practically anything we wanted. Do not expect to get top rankings for major keywords like weight loss by activating this software. However, RANKSNAP will give you a substantial advantage. The harder competition keywords get ranked so easily for us, it's not even funny. Just imagine yourself being in front of your customers, millions of them every day, and your offers, landing pages, blogs, or whatever it is that you want to promote, just ranking there for a long time. Imagine the influx of visitors you'll get, the instant sales and leads. It's crazy. And it can happen for you. It's not just reserved for the gurus. Most people today focus on loopholes and the newest abracadabra methods. This is your chance to cash in on something real and automated. Let me show you how it works. RANKSNAP will automatically do everything a human SEO professional will do for you, only far cheaper, faster, and on autopilot. It will create accounts, it'll read confirmation emails, it'll click confirmation links, then it'll post content on a consistent basis. It will solve capture for you. It will create IPs and proxies for you. It will even rank for multiple keywords with the same piece of content using our special shortcut technology, which increases backlink effectiveness by 500%. Now, all the technical stuff is done in the background. You'll simply need to follow 5 steps that the software will instruct you to, and you're good to go. For real, that's all you need to do. Now, the software comes with the most reliable cloud link building software, which means it doesn't matter if you have a PC, a Mac, or any other operating system in the world. It's going to work for you as long as you have access to the internet. When you get this, you will, of course, also be eligible for all the software support and continuing updates, as well as special ranking training and resources that we use. Honestly, this is all ready for you, but you'll be the judge once you get in. Now, here's the deal. I don't want you to go through the learning curve that we went through. I don't want you to struggle, suffer, or fail. I want to hand everything you need for fast money on a silver platter to you, and I want you to send me a screenshot or a video testimonial with your results. These things are really worth all our hard work. And because of that, I'm offering you RANKSNAP for a ridiculous, and when I say ridiculous, I mean borderline crazy, low one-time price. Scroll down, click the big button that you'll see inside, and feel free to email us at the email given at the bottom of the page for support or if you have any questions. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means you can try it completely risk-free. Now, imagine that in 30 days, you are already out of your job, working from home, and growing your business every day while having full control over your income with SEO without even knowing SEO. Now, that feels good, doesn't it? Well, RANKSNAP is the fastest way to achieve just that. Besides, proof, a step-by-step walkthrough, and a bulletproof guarantee are just a fraction of how far we will go to help you. I understand it's scary to invest, especially with all these scams in every corner, and we want to keep our brand legit, whiter than cream, and just plain awesome. Therefore, if you are not satisfied, you won't walk away empty-handed, never. It's been a pleasure talking to you, and we'll see you on the other side.